Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. This camera boasts incredible features like 4K/120fps video, super wide 155 degrees FOV, and an impressive 160-minute max operating time. Plus, it's waterproof up to 16 m deep, making it the perfect camera for all your adventures. I recently purchased this camera from AliExpress and was blown away by its performance. The video quality is outstanding and the super wide FOV allows me to capture everything I need in frame. Plus, with the long battery life, I never have to worry about running out of power during my shoots. Don't just take my word for it though, this camera has received rave reviews on AliExpress, with many customers praising its durability and user-friendly interface. Overall, I highly recommend the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera for anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile camera that can handle all their adventures. I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on AliExpress using the search code. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.